Hi, and welcome to Ademi and O'Reilly. My name is Robert O'Reilly. I'm the lead immigration lawyer here. Many people ask me, do I need a lawyer? And I can certainly tell you that in many instances, you do not need a lawyer. The tricky part is knowing when you do and when you don't. There are certain red flags that we have that when we see, we absolutely know that the help of a lawyer is significant. First off, if there's any sort of criminal issue, if there's any sort of criminal history that you need to be concerned about, and that includes whether it's driving under the influence of alcohol, or even something as simple as shoplifting, or even just simply a number of disorderly conduct type misdemeanors, any of those can create major problems in an immigration case. You want an attorney who is going to get ahead of that, file whatever necessary waivers, and also to advise you on how to proceed in these matters. Perhaps you need to wait a little longer before you file something for a deadline to run out. Perhaps you need to show evidence of rehabilitation. These are all things that having an attorney provide advice on you is actually going to save you time and money in the long run. And that's probably the other thing that I always want to tell people. The filing fees, the government filing fees, just the government filing fees can be thousands of dollars. I had a client last week who wanted to file a form to adjust his status for him and his family. And he was doing it under a very old statute from 1998. And under this statute, I calculated out the filing fees. It was over $8,000 in filing fees. And even a simple adjustment of status can be well over $1,000, $1,500, $2,000. Those are very common government filing fees. When the fees are that high, you don't want to have to do it a second time. You want to do it right the first time. And so for that reason, I think it's very important that when you're looking at major fees, when you've got some sort of fact in there which makes it very non-standard, or simply you don't think that you're going to be able to present your case, your petition, your request in the best light, then it certainly makes sense to sit down with a lawyer and find out what they have. You'd be surprised. Immigration lawyers are more affordable than you think. And it's one of those things that going without a lawyer can certainly end up blowing up in your face. I see it all the time. But of course, if you have something that's relatively straightforward, if you're not under any sort of time pressure, and you can follow the form closely, there are many, many things that people can do without a lawyer. We only want you to use you when we add value. At this firm, we have free consultations, and you'd be surprised how often I say, here's the form you need to fill out. You don't need my help. That happens all the time. There are other times when I say, you'd be crazy not to hire me and take care of this. Well, I hope these tips are helpful to you, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.